Big savings always start small. And now, you can start saving in gold with just 10 rupees on PhonePe. This gold is 24 carat, 99.9% pure and securely stored in bank-grade lockers. There are 3 ways to save gold in the PhonePe app's gold section. Daily, save a little every day. Monthly, save once a month. In one go, make a larger one-time savings. Daily savings lets you buy a small portion of gold each day. To start daily savings, click on Daily Savings. Enter your desired amount. You can start with just 10 rupees. Select your payment method via AutoPay to complete the setup. After this, the specified amount will be automatically deducted every day and the gold will be added to your secure locker at that day's rate. Completely hassle-free. That's daily savings. But if you prefer, you can also save monthly. You can follow the same simple process. Just go to the gold page on PhonePe and this time select Monthly Gold SIP. Enter your desired amount and then choose the date from which you want your savings to start. Finally, select your payment method and set up AutoPay. Similarly, you can make your entire savings in one go as well. Go to the gold page on PhonePe and select Buy Gold. Choose your provider. Enter the amount or the weight of gold you want to buy and click Proceed. On the next page, review your gold details and click Proceed to Pay. Finally, select your payment method and complete the payment. You can also sell your purchased gold on PhonePe. To sell your gold, go to the gold page on the PhonePe app and click on My Gold. This will take you to your gold locker. There, you'll see the Sell Gold option. Select the amount of gold you want to sell, either in grams or rupees. The app will show you the current market price of your gold. Then choose your provider. Then click Sell and Confirm. The amount will be credited to your bank account within 48 hours. If you wish, you can also convert your gold into jewelry. Open the PhonePe app and go to My Gold. Select the Convert to Jewelry option. Click on Buy from Carrot Lane Jewelry. You will be redirected to the Carrot Lane website to purchase your gold. With PhonePe, you can easily get your gold coins delivered to your home in just 3 simple steps. Here's how to get your gold coins delivered at your home. Go to your Gold Locker page, click on Get Gold Coins or Bars, choose a provider and select the gold coin you want, enter your address and click Confirm. The app will take you to your coin details page. Review all the details carefully and click Buy Now. Then click Proceed to Pay. Pay for making and delivery charges. Your gold coin will be delivered to your address within 7 to 10 days. Buying, saving and selling gold now on PhonePe in just minutes.